TGT Science Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Second Sitapur. Today I want to draw attention in a picture. These pictures indicate thinking how do we see around us? How do we see around us as like a, how do we see the pen, pencil, books, buildings? How do we see? Can we see in dark room? No, we can't see in dark room. But what makes things visible to us? It means light reflected from the object emits rays, and this rays from textbook comes to in my eyes. We see things because they reflect lights into our eyes. How do we can see? We can see the textbook by reflecting the ray of light from textbook to our eyes. So let's start light. This is a chapter 15, light, class 7. In this chapter we will study about the reflection of light, classification of different types of spherical mirrors, lens, compare and contrast of the concave mirror, convex mirror, value of convex and concave lens in daily lives. Students will be able to examine the dispersion of light, and students will be able to the construct of Newton disc. So let's begin. My first topic: light travels along a straight line. We already know that the lights travel in a straight line, but how will you prove? We will prove by doing a activity. We will doing a activity. We need a lighting candle in a table activity. Light a candle and fix it on a table. Take a piece of rubber tube. So in place of rubber tube, we will use a paper pipe. We will make a newspaper paper pipe, and we can see through them if this is a straight line position. So light travel in a straight line. If we bend in middle side, then we can't see the flame. So it means the light travels in a straight line. So now in next topic, reflection of light. We have already studied in previous classes when the light fall on a change in direction of light is called reflection of light. It means bouncing back of light by any surface, by a smooth surface, is known as reflection of light. So we can see by doing a activity, reflection of light. In this activity we will need a plane mirror, and I have made a holder by using a thermocol pieces. So I have placed this plane mirror on a board, and this is a comb, and I wrapped by a chart paper and make a slit by a blade or thermocol cutter. Now we also need a torch, so we can use the torch. We will use the light of mobile in place of torch. So you can see the reflection of light by using a plane mirror. So you can see this is a reflection by plane mirror. You can see this is a incident ray, and second is reflected ray by the plane mirror. So it means bouncing back of light by a smooth surface is known as reflection of light. Now we will understand the image formation by a plane mirror. How image formed by a plane mirror? We will use the in daily life plane mirror. We all of us use plane mirror in daily life. As like I see my image in my plane mirror. Image formation by a plane mirror. The image is erect. The image is same size of the object. The image at the same distance from the mirror is in front of it. The image at the same distance from the mirror as the object in front of it. The image is virtual. It means virtual the image which cannot obtain on screen. It means the image formed just behind the mirror. So this is known as image, virtual image. In this picture you can see a cartoon. The image of cartoon is the same distance just behind the mirror. This is a plane mirror, this is our eye, and you can see in another picture this is a NO, and this is the image of. You can see in last point, in the image the right side appear in the left side. In daily life we also observe that if we raise in right hand, in my image raise the left hand. If I raise the left hand, in my image raise the right hand. It means side inversion. So image formation by the plane mirror also to left and left to right. This is known as the side inversion. So now we will study about the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, this is also known as the curved mirror. What do you mean by curved mirror? Curved, this is a plane mirror and this is a curve. It means there are two types. One is convex mirror and second is concave mirror. Convex mirror, two types of spherical mirror. First is convex mirror and second is concave mirror. You can see one side is polished and second is a reflecting surface. In convex mirror, the reflecting surface is outside. It means the reflection surface is inside. This is inside. The spherical mirror is known as concave mirror. It means this reflection surface is inside, so this is known as concave mirror. And second is convex mirror. It means if the reflecting surface is outside, this is a budges. It means the reflection surface is outside. The spherical mirror is known as convex mirror. If the reflecting surface is inside, this spherical mirror is known as concave mirror. This is a figure of spoon. The spoon act as like a concave mirror and act as like a convex mirror. This side, it means reflecting surface is inside, so this side is act as like a concave mirror and this side act as like a convex mirror, like a concave mirror. Depending upon the distance of object get from the mirror, the image may be larger or smaller than the object. Image formed by a concave mirror, this may be smaller or larger. This is depending upon the distance of object. And image formed by the concave mirror, real or virtual. Real or virtual, it means real, it means this can obtain on screen, and the image may be virtual, it means the image which cannot obtain on screen, and the image may be inverted or erect. It means the image formed by a concave mirror. Depending upon the distance of object get from the mirror, the image may be larger or smaller of the object. Image may be real or virtual. Image may be inverted or erect. Now, use of concave mirror. We already know that the reflecting surface of inside, this is act as like a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. These are used as reflector of light, headlights of scooter, cars, buses, etc. These are used by dentists to see the enlarged image of teeth. These are used by the doctors to examine eye, ears, nose and throat. So this is the use of concave mirror. Now convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. The reflecting surface is outside. The image formed by a convex mirror is virtual. It means cannot obtain on screen. Image always formed just behind the mirror. And second is the image is smaller than the object.